As you are seeing on your screen, there is two traditional tribe in Ghana, Ashanti, which is the woman, and the man is Frafra, northern part of Ghana, performing their traditional marriage. So now, as you are seeing on your screen, is the man and his family members. The groom is the man on the middle with a white African fabric. We call it fugu. Yeah, fugu dancing. They are moving on to see the family members of the woman. Yeah, the groom is the man on the white, having kente fabric on his shoulder. This is the king who is leading to ask hand in marriage of the woman for their brother. Yes, as is shown on your screen. And now they are getting inside to see the family members of the woman. This is a pure traditional marriage of Frafra. Now they have seated, and looking on your screen, the man family is on the other side and the woman family too is on the other side. This is a traditional marriage of Frafra and Ashanti in Ghana. Yes. So let's take a good look at it very well. Right now, let me let you hear everything yourself, how they are going to perform their traditional dance, how things are going to go on, and then right after then I continue on with you. Yeah, as we are seeing on our screen, this is the materials that the man is bringing to the family of the woman. All these materials you are seeing, things that carry the things of the lady. Most importantly, the snap, the ring, and other drinks to serve the family members of the woman. Yes, as you are seeing on your screen, very beautifully. This is a traditional marriage. I mean, pure traditional marriage of Africa, Ghana. Yeah, see on your screen, very beautifully. So, as you are seeing, some are drinks, schnapps, ring of the lady, and the other fabrics. Yes, seeing this beautiful lady dancing adwa, leading these beautiful ladies to give the list to the family of the lady, I mean the bride. Very beautifully, purely African traditional marriage. Purely, very beautiful. As you are watching, make sure you also subscribe to our YouTube channel Support TV. And yeah, very beautiful, beautiful, purely African traditional marriage, Ghana. All you are seeing is the list and materials that is given to the bride family. Yeah, very beautifully. Yeah, beautiful. Okay, let's look at the dancing display of this beautiful girl dancing adwa. Let's take a look at it. This part 2 is the bride with these beautiful ladies. As you are seeing on your screen, they are bringing the bride to the family and the man to prove and confirm her that this is surely the woman I'm asking hand in marriage. Yeah, traditional way. Yeah, very beautifully. Yes, the bride is the one on kente cloth. Yeah, as you can see on your screen, they are dancing to traditional. Yeah, the woman on the kente cloth is the bride. So traditional way, they are going to show her to the man that is this the woman you are asking hand in marriage. It is a traditional way in Africa. Yeah, looking at the woman on your screen, she is dancing adwa. Yeah, the woman is dancing adwa. Africa. Yeah, Africa. Looking at the costume of the woman, the clothes that she is wearing is called kente. You know, in Africa, one of the very expensive fabric here in Africa. Very expensive. Very expensive. And looking at what she is on her neck, very expensive African wear. Yeah, traditionally she is dancing kente to the groom. So when she got there, they will ask the man that is this the woman you are asking hand in marriage, for the man to confirm yes, she is. Yeah, this is how we marry in Africa, traditional way. Yeah, as you can see on your screen, the woman is dancing. Yeah, right now they are going inside to see the man and his family to welcome her. Yeah, let's take a good look at it. Let's watch it and see how they are dancing to the drums. Sitting on the other side, and the family of that is the father of the lady on the kente cloth. Yeah, that is the father of the lady who is sitting there, very beautifully. This is purely African traditional marriage. Yeah, in Ghana, very beautifully, as we are seeing. And then the family of the man are also welcoming the lady. They are very happily welcoming the lady. Yeah, very beautifully, as you can see, the father. Yeah, very beautifully. So now, as we are seeing, we watch this thing, and this is the family of the man. They are dancing frafra. This dancing move you are seeing is called frafra dance, and it is a dancing move to welcome the lady, I mean the bride. Let's take a good look at it. Let's go and watch. Yeah. Yes, on your screen you can see they are displaying money on the lady. I mean they are welcoming and they've really accepted her very nicely. Very beautiful African culture. As you can see, this is the family of the man displaying money on the bride. This is a sign to see that they've really accepted the woman in their family. Very nice. All these you are seeing is the family members of the man. Yeah, beautifully displaying money on her. Beautifully. This is the groom, the man himself. Beautifully. Yeah. Let's take a watch of it and how things are going out there. Right now, they have accepted the woman as a wife in their family. So as you can see, the woman is displacing. The woman is yep. This is the father of the woman, and yeah. Very beautifully. As you are seeing on your screen, they have accepted the marriage and have performed every necessary thing they have to do traditionally. Yes, this is the father of the woman, the lady who is dancing adwa, yeah, on a kente flute. Yeah, very nicely. Yeah, dancing adwa. You know, this dancing move you are seeing is not just a move, but whatever he is doing, it carries a message. It carries a message. It carries a message to understand. Yes, it carries a message. The man is giving the sign languages, and yes, as you are seeing, this lady too is dancing adwa. Let's take a look at it. Yeah.